Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make $1,000 in a single day? It might seem difficult, but the truth is, there are real strategies that can generate that amount within just a few hours. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. In this video, you will learn 3 proven methods to earn $1,000 today, without relying on luck or empty promises. These are practical, tested strategies that anyone can apply with focus and immediate action. So stay with me until the end, because every minute of this video could make the difference between staying where you are or finally achieving the results you want. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my tips on prosperity and financial growth. Now, let's get straight to the point. Before we dive into the strategies, it's crucial to understand one key principle. Money loves speed. Opportunities are everywhere, but only those who are prepared and take quick action can seize them. If you want to make money fast, you need to be willing to implement strategies with focus and determination. Earning $1,000 in a day doesn't mean it will be easy or automatic, but with the right approach, it is absolutely possible. Now that you know this, let's go over the 3 best ways to reach this goal today. The fastest way to generate money is by selling something valuable. Here are a few ways to do that effectively. If you have a physical product, use social media, marketplaces, or buy and sell groups to close deals quickly. If you have a digital product like an ebook, course, consultation, or coaching session, create an irresistible offer and promote it using paid ads or email lists. If you have a skill, such as design, writing, video editing, or consulting, offer your services to people who need immediate results. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Workana are great for landing quick gigs. For example, let's say you sell a video editing service for $100. With just 10 clients in one day, you hit your $1,000 goal. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn commissions of up to $1,000 per sale by promoting other people's products. You can sign up for platforms such as ClickBank, which offers high-paying international products, Hotmart, which has great digital products in Portuguese, or Digistore24, another solid option for global affiliate marketing. The key to making fast affiliate sales is to focus on high-ticket products, with commissions ranging from $200 to $1,000, and use paid traffic strategies to target the right buyers. For example, if you promote a product that pays $500 per sale, you only need 2 sales in a day to reach your goal. Another effective way to make $1,000 quickly is by offering on-demand services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Some of the most in-demand services include copywriting and creating persuasive content, which is highly valued in digital marketing, video editing for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, which is growing fast, running paid ads on Facebook, Google, and TikTok, a skill that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for, graphic design and branding, such as social media templates and business logos. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com make it easy to find clients who pay in US dollars, boosting your earnings significantly. For example, if you sell a video editing service for $200 per project, you only need 5 clients in a single day to hit your $1,000 target. Now that you know these strategies, the big question is, how do you turn this into a consistent income? The answer is simple: consistency and scale. If you apply just one of these strategies today and make $1,000, imagine what would happen if you turn this into a daily or weekly habit. Start small, but stay consistent. Adjust your approach based on your results. Keep improving your skills to increase your value in the market. The secret to financial success isn't just about making quick money. It's about building a system that allows you to grow sustainably. Now that you have these strategies, it's time to take action. Let me know in the comments, which of these 3 strategies are you going to apply today? I'd love to hear your thoughts and track your progress. If this content helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this information, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on prosperity and financial success. I'll see you in the next video.